yo, JVC Force back again in the house with another fat promo for my man Red Alert. Yeah, Red Alert rocks the house and Prop Masters rocks the house and JVC rocks the house and B-Love rocks the house and well, here I go, flying high like the Battlestar Galactica on Friday and Saturday night is just spectacular. So DJ Red Alert gets the props while JVC rocks the blocks non-stop and hips and flips it to the highest degree. I got the bust off shots for the CI Long Island Posse. That's where I call my home, where the cuties got the booty, so Be-Love do bone. With my radio on full blast and my waterbed splashing, crashing, Red Alert scratching. Big tracks, the Prop Master jams. I dedicate this one to my man, Kirk Azal. Step up and bring it on.
I like to say what's up
to my man, DJ Red Alert.
I like to say what's up
to my man, DJ Red Alert.
I like to say what's up
to my man, DJ Red Alert.
And say what's up
to my man, DJ Red Alert.
I figured I'd kick the new style with a fat track of vocals, cause you couldn't see me with a stack of bifocals. Well, I record show a Red Alert promo, yo. Tune in on your kid and let that fast hit your word like other stations try to sweat the set stop, cause no one can beat the RED in a 9 to 12 time slot. So when I'm cooling with the Strong Island mob, we can't miss, cause we got our systems pumped on kids. Check the scoop too, as I just wrecked the loop, huh? Cause ABC Forces got the mops and the props. So who's the man? The man, can I say it's RED and LERT on a Friday and Saturday? Say what's up